All right, here we are. Drain field's kind of been slow, so we've just been pumping and dumping. So here's what we got. Tight little job. It's gonna be 500 square foot. See the tank over there where Chandler's at? We got to remove the existing chambers, the old EQ24s. Here's what's in here now. This stuff sucks. These old pyramid chambers. I've never seen them last, but that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do this real quick. All right, we're finished up with this one. Long, tedious, taking out all the old drain fill. There it is, the header. Had to put our dirt over there once we dug this side. See that in the video, sure. And there's that beauty. So, got a phone line, a cable line running across here. We had to find first, and then 500 square foot, 34 arcs. And right now, we're gonna go feed our bellies and get the hell out of here. We are on the job site, new install. And Chandler over here, shooting a reference point so we can get that set, figure out where we're at with the bottom of the drain field. The tank is coming late today. We're doing concrete. So we're gonna strip the area for the drain field, 6 inches of excavation. So not much. It's 375, so it's an area of about 50 by 30 for our slopes and our shoulders and everything. But we're gonna get to it right now. Go unload this beautiful new excavator, get that AC cranking, get to work. we got the tanks in. Lift station, concrete tank there. Chandler's piping them in now, putting their fluid filter in. It's beautiful. We're on a repair today, 375 square feet, wide open in the front yard. The tank is right here somewhere. So the drain field is gonna go right there. The existing drain field goes right there. So we're gonna hit and have to excavate out some of the old stuff. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Still getting used to having glass. Not being able to see so freely. We're done with that one, and we're pretty smooth. Sure was a lot of drain filled, but we will load that up in the dump trailer. We got that one in, and then we went and we covered the new one from yesterday. Didn't pull any cameras out on that one. Just knocked it out real quick. I personally think that it's, you know, footage for a cover up is always extremely boring to me, seeing it when I'm editing it. So I'm not as thrilled to pull the cameras out on a cover up. Is what it is. If you guys disagree and you want to see more cover ups, let me know. I don't mind doing it. I just don't feel like it's very interesting whatsoever. But that's it. We got that one covered up. It turned out really nice. So on that note, I appreciate you guys watching. That's a wrap on this video though. And make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Almost everything gets put on Instagram a lot sooner than it does YouTube. So if you follow me at Lakeland Septic Company, I'll see you guys later. Appreciate you guys watching. Bye-bye.